County in east central Florida, southwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, southeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles east of Basinger, moving north at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly for those caught without safety. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Snow will damage the homes, businesses, and vehicles if likely and complete destruction is possible. This tornado thunderstorm will remain over many rural areas of Oklahoma, southwestern Indian River, and southeastern Osceola County, including the following locations: alarm, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Protect your life. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lower floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, damaging doors, mobile home, or vehicle. Use vehicles of substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Flood watch for the following businesses and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Okeechobee, southwestern Indian River, and southeastern Osceola counties, including the following locations: Country Hill.
A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now.
To protect your
move to an interior room on the lower